Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to write a program that will get three numbers from the user and displays to the user, and also it will shift all the numbers to the left. Now here you can see initially we had 10, 20, 30, and it's going to shift like 20, 30, 10. Now let's see how to write a code that will do that. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue. First we have to introduce integer type of variable. Let's get rid of this thing. So integer type of variable, let me close this one. So integer, we are going to introduce three numbers, num1 comma num2 comma num3, and also to do the shifting we have to introduce another variable that's called temp, because we cannot just shift the numbers, because we have to store it somewhere and then do the shifting, otherwise it doesn't work. Now first we introduced something like that, then first we ask the user, so we ask the user to enter the number, so we have to give a prompt for that, so then only the user know we have to enter this number, right? So printf, and then here we are going to ask the user to enter the first number enter the first number, and then \n, and then semicolon, and then we are going to give a scanf statement that will allow the user to input something. So here, since we are doing integer type of variable, we have to put %d, and to store this variable we had to put ampersand num1. So ampersand, we have to always put the ampersand if it's a variable. If it's an array we don't have to put it, but if it's here we have integer type of variable, so we have to put this ampersand sign in front, and then semicolon. Then we have to do the same thing for all the others, so I'm gonna just copy paste 2 more times and 1 more time, and this should be second number, and this one is num2, and this one is third number, and this is num3. Okay, now before we go ahead and change the shifting, before we do the shifting, we had to print the user what was the number he entered. Like 3 numbers is going to display like this. First the user entered 10, 20, 30, so we have to display like this, then we have to do the switch. So let's go ahead and display that. In order to display that, we are going to give a printf statement. In that one we are going to say before shifting num1 is equal to %d, and then num2 is equal to %d, and num3 is equal to %d \n, and then close this one, and here we write num1 num2 num3, and then semicolon. Now we are going to write the equation that will do the shifting. So first of all we had to I'm sorry, my voice went down. Okay, first we had to store the num1 somewhere, and then we change into num3, because if we don't do that, for example, let's say you say num1 is equal to num3, so num1 will become, for example, if it's 10 will become num3. Then when you try to change the num3 to something else, what's going to happen is, like when you try to change num3 to something else, you can see both of them are now 10, so we cannot, the first number is gone already, like the third number is gone already, right? So we have to keep the third number or first number somewhere, then we do the shifting. So in order to do that, we use this temporary variable that is equal to num1. Okay, the next thing is num1 is equal to num2, and the next thing is num2 is equal to num3, and the last thing is num3 is equal to temp. Okay, now we did the shifting. Now we have to give a printf statement. Here it's going to say after shifting num1 is equal to %d comma num2 is equal to %d, and then num3 is equal to %d, and that's it. Now we have to give num1, num2, num3, num2 comma num3, and then that's it. Now let's go ahead and try this one. Run this code, enter the first number. We want let's try the same thing, 10, 20, 30, and first it prints 10, 20, 30, and after that it's going to print 20, 30, 10. Okay, 10, 20, 30. So first it prints 10, 20, 30, and then 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 10. And that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos on my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you want to try these codes, it's all in my Blogger. I put the description of my, I put the link of the Blogger in the description, and I hope that helps. See you next time.